friends, welcome back to Whiskey and Whit. I'm Whitney, and today's video is going to be a haul of the Target Dollar Spot for Christmas 2019. There's so many good items and they're different from last year, which is awesome. So stay tuned for all of the holiday goodies that you can find at Target. And my favorite thing we're gonna start with, because I was so excited to see these, and they are these metal bows. So these guys are so cute, and there's a ton of different, let me see if it'll focus, there we go. There are a ton of different prints. So they have this buffalo check one, they have this galvanized metal kind of like crimped essentially. They've got plain gloss white, they've got a matte black, and then one that is also the galvanized metal, but it says, if you can see, Merry Christmas on it. So there are 5 different options. I grabbed the most of these buffalo plaid ones because 1, these are gonna be awesome for Christmas. 2, I grabbed some extra ones because we are doing farmhouse for the nursery for the baby. So some of these I think will be great. Even though they're bows, I think I can find some ways to incorporate this to not make it too girly, you know, so that'll be helpful. So these are awesome for $1. It is awesome. I showed in the video the DPCI, but just in case you're wondering, it's 234034152. And I've got a whole video to show you how to use that DPCI number to check and see if items are showing up as available in the inventory of your store. So I will link that down below as well as up above. So check that out. That's how you can kind of score and see what's at different stores before you drive 3 hours everywhere. Now it's not 100% accurate, but I also use that plus calling the stores to really help me find out what's out there. Up next are these adorable mugs. So I love the height of these because these are going to be perfect for a cocoa bar, a tiered tray, and they had a ton of different prints there, but I ended up grabbing this Made with Love Mrs. Claus Cookie Company one, and this is really seems to be their main theme this year. Is there's literally everything that says Mrs. Claus, like this little decal thing here. And then I also grabbed this Merry Christmas one. Now this is just so cute. The calligraphy is awesome for $3 for both of these. This is gonna be perfect. I just envisioned like some candy canes in here, or you can even like do a little like marshmallow, like stick those all in there if you're gonna have a cocoa bar. So there's a ton of different options, but for $3 each, these are awesome for decor, or they'd be really cute to sip out of for the holidays. So DPCI on this is 234067434, and yep, both of the DPCIs on these are the same. So all of the mugs, it's gonna show that there's a mug in stock. It may not show you the actual print, so keep that in mind too. I also grabbed one of these Believe bells, this kind of gold calligraphy, and then I also grabbed a red one, a red bell. They're both working bells. But what I found when I decorate is I really gravitate when I buy decor to big items, which is great. They fill out a lot of areas really quickly, but my problem is I have so much big decor that it's really hard to create vignettes. So I wanted to grab some smaller things like those bows, the mugs, these bells, so then that way I can kind of fill in some of the areas that I have. In the same vein of that Mrs. Claus Cookie Co., they had a trivet, and I think this is awesome. I'm always looking for trivets. I thought this shape was awesome. Usually they are square, and so this will be nice for like a longer like bread pan type shape of a pan. How many times can you say pan? Pan, 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 pan. I feel like I'm in Step Brothers. Anyway, this I thought would be awesome. They also had a ton of cute options that you saw in the footage before, but this also could just be set up as a little sign in a tiered tray, so there's a lot of different options. This was $3, and the DPCI on this is 234032818. So this Mrs. Claus Cookie Company little trivet is ceramic, and it's got little protectors on the back, which is awesome. And for $3, I'm really excited to use this. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it as a trivet all the time. It might just be for entertaining, but it'll also be used as decor. I grabbed a couple of these little bags. One says December 25th, they're drawstring. One says don't open until Christmas, and the other one says Believe. They had a ton of options of these, and These I think would be great for decor, but also I grabbed them thinking of gift cards. You can stick that in there and it's a lot more fun to give this than just a card, or you can throw this in there with some like chapstick, nail polish, whatever, and a gift card, and for $1 it makes your gift look a little more put together. So DPCI here is 234031340, and like I said, these were all $1, so I might be going back and grabbing some more, but I've got some employees that I'm gonna need to get gifts for, friends and things, so I thought these would be really a nice way to wrap them. Speaking of Christmas wrapping, I grabbed a bunch of these little gift tags, and I love these just because they really add pizzazz to your gift. So one says Authentic Santa's Workshop, which is in red and calligraphy. I also got to Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas. And then also this one that says Believe. The sticker's kind of in the way, but each package has 24 for $1, which their calligraphy and their graphics are always really cute at Target. So these will definitely last me through the rest of the season as well into next year. But at $1, I love this price point, and this calligraphy is a lot cuter than what you're gonna see probably at the Dollar Tree. They've got some cute stuff. You guys know I love the Dollar Tree, but these dollar products usually win in my book. And the number here is 234037951. Also, with wrapping, I grabbed one of these wood boxes. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna wrap something in this, but I love that it slides here, and then it's got a little tag here, and I thought this would be so cute, thinking ahead, but putting the baby's name on here, saying to name from Santa, and this could be decor for the nursery and their room. I wanna have a tree in their room, obviously this year we won't have the baby, and next year, you know, it'll be something little up above where they can't touch it. However, I thought this would be such a cute decor thing. You could do this if you've got kids. Also, I'm sure this would be cute. You can add a paw if you've got somebody like Sebastian, and you just have fur babies, or, you know, it could be to you and your husband, or this could be kind of a memory keepsake box that you can put some of your treasured ornaments in so they don't break. I'm a huge sap for sentimental ornaments, so at $5, I'm not totally sure what I'm gonna do with this, but I think that nursery option is gonna win out, but I'll have to find something to do with it this year so I can use it. At $5, the number on this one is 234032602. These bottle brush trees this year are a little different because they don't go all the way down to the base, so I grabbed this multi-pack. But as you can see the base there, which I really like these just to put in scenes. I make little DIY like topiary snow globes, that kind of stuff. And then these I liked for the coloring. Sometimes when you've got a little scene and the dark green really takes away with the white, doesn't really complement the scene. So I like these lighter ones to hopefully put those within Christmas scenes. But both are $3, and they're both 234035467. So they share the number, but I love these, and for $3 a piece, they're a little more expensive than what you're gonna buy at the Dollar Tree, but I've found that these, the quality of these are really good, and I've used them for years and years, so I would recommend these, even though they're the $3. Also, side tangent, I have noticed that some of the items in the dollar spot have went up in price. So like the 2-pack of towels are now $5, which, I mean, I get inflation and everybody's got to make a buck, but like I just noticed, and I was going through and I was like, wait a minute, they jacked up these prices. Did anybody else notice that? Comment down below, let me know. Okay, couple more things. I grabbed some ornaments, and I use these as a mixture of ornaments and then also gift toppers, but I got this cute little barn, a little wreath. I'll probably put something in the center there with my cricket with the holly berries. Another one that is Farm Fresh Christmas trees. Maybe if it'll not glare. Farm Fresh Christmas trees, open till Christmas Eve. It's super cute. This is like a metal. This one looks like a little gift bag, but it's got the names of all the reindeer. There's also a sign that they're selling that matches this. And then also this is the 12 Days of Christmas saying, if this will cooperate for me, on the, I can't see the screen to do this, but yeah, so it's got the 12 drummers drumming all the way through A Partridge in a Pear Tree. So this is super cute. This is also going to be great for a tiered tray. Okay, so these three are all the same number. They're all in the same collection. So this one's 234030161. All three of these. This barn is 234031255, and this guy is 234031255. Okay, so these two must be the same collection, and then these three are the same collection. So there's that. I ended up grabbing 2 signs. They had a ton of cute signs, but I really had to restrain myself. So one was this Christmas Tree Farm sign. I really like the black with the green. I also think this will look really cute in the nursery for next year, so I'm gonna keep this for that. But I love this overall look. I love the buffalo check, but I like some stuff where I can use it with that, but it doesn't seem like plaid threw up everywhere. So this was $3. DPCI here is 234031592. And this I'm so excited about. I didn't realize what it was until I had it in my cart, but it is a interchangeable sign. So there's 6 different signs or something in here. So let me crack this open and show you. Real quick, the DPCI is 234032383. And they also had a dark wood version of this, but it was more of like a black dark wood. So I am going to go through and stain this my dark walnut color that I love. But then, so all of these signs in here slide out the top. So then you're left with this frame, and you can literally decide, like, out of all these, you have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas, Joy to the World on plaid, the Christmas tree sign that matches the one that I got, Dasher, Dancer, Prince, or Vixen, all of the reindeer. This one says snowflakes that stay on my nose and eyelashes. It's like gray text. It's really hard with my window here to read that. This is the 12 Days of Christmas that matches that ornament I just showed you. Better Not Pout. And then the back says Believe in the Magic of Christmas. So out of all these, I think the Christmas Tree Farm is my favorite. But what I like with this is you can literally buy cardstock and do printables and just Mod Podge them on there, or you could honestly probably just stick it in there with the paper, but you just literally slide them back in and ta-da! And it can literally be anything you want to be out of those 6, and this can last you literally all year because you just change out, figure out whatever you want here. And I love when you're able to buy stuff like that perpetual calendar that was on sale last month, kind of in the fall stuff, so that you can use this on an ongoing basis. So this was a great find for $5. And then finally, my last find was, of course, a pillow. You guys know that I have just an addiction to pillows in general, but I love this. It matches exactly that mug and that trivet that I bought. It's the $5 decorative pillow. This number is 234031198. The back is just a plain black, but I've got a lot of different areas, as you can see behind me here, where there's pillows, and I thought this, especially with the little pop of red, would look really good with red buffalo, black buffalo, even gray, pretty much everything that I've got in my regular decor. So I love this, and I also think this will be a cute addition to the nursery come next year. Okay, so that was a lot of stuff. I swear though that is less than I normally buy, so giving myself a little pat on the back for some self-restraint here for this year for Christmas at the Target dollar spot. Let me know down below what your biggest find was. There are some more items that have that Mrs. Claus Cooking Company on it that I have not seen. If I can find some pictures on Instagram, I'll insert them here so you guys kind of know what I'm looking for. But yeah, I am so excited with everything that I found at Target, and I'm really excited to get decorating. We probably won't do that till later this month, just because of schedules and pregnancy and all that fun stuff, but don't fret, I will take you guys along with me. So check down below if any of these items are available on Target.com. I will link them so that you can check them out for yourself and order them if you can't find them in your store. So here we go. You're the real MVP for sticking around to the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching. Hit subscribe down below because I've got some more shop with me's coming, including Walmart and all the other places that we love to shop. So hit subscribe. Follow me on Instagram so you don't miss any of that content over there. That's where I share my finds right when I get them. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!